Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert table here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting a table in Canva is a straightforward process that can enhance your designs and improve the presentation of information. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to click the design or project that you are working with. If you haven't already, just click on the designs or templates section, wherein you can choose the design like business, social media, education, video marketing, or print products. However, if you have already a design or in your mind that you wanted to try, just click on the create a design option in the upper left corner. In my case, I'm choosing the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it a thumbnail in our Gplabs YouTube channel. Now, there are two ways for you to insert the table here in Canva. All right, so the first option is, this is going to be quite tricky because it requires a pro subscription. I want you to go to the elements section in the left side panel of your dashboard and search table. You see that? Click that table right here. These are some of the tables that you can select, right? So you're not limited with the designs. You can choose for many designs as you want it, all right? And of course, you're not limited with the design. Basically, you can change the colors right here. For example, this into some like that. So you have all these options, all right? You're not limited. Now, after that, you can group all of these together into one single file by clicking Shift. And then copy that to the next page. Now, another option that you can do is go again to the elements section. Now, you see the graphics required here has like a pro subscription for the most advanced kind of table, all right? Another option that we can do is go to the graphics. Now let's check the graphics, click on shapes. Here, all I'm gonna do is resize this to make it like a table, all right? Copy that, copy this element right here. Drag this. It's kind of sort of like a table, all right? Now, you see this kind of design, you might want to pattern that to the section here, all right? Now, the next is we're going to create kind of like a table right here, manually. Sort of manually doing that if you wanted. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. And from here, all I'm gonna do is group them all together, group, and then control copy. So you have all these under your disposal, all right? So these are some of the ways for you to insert table here in Canva, because presenting data in table format improves readability, especially for complex information. Tables can break down large amounts of digestive information into chunks, all right? Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.